In this video, we will be explaining how to assess a client's muscular strength and muscular endurance using both maximal and submaximal tests and the push-up test. Muscular strength and muscular endurance are two components of muscular fitness. For muscular strength, we will need a bench press with assorted weights, or a leg press with assorted weights. Prior to any of the tests, have your client do a full body warm-up. We'll begin with the 1 rep max. The 1 RM test should also consist of a brief warm-up doing the actual exercise. Be sure your client does not fatigue while doing the warm-up either. To avoid injury, ensure a spotter is always present when performing the 1 RM bench press. Start the client off with about 50 to 70% perceived capacity. If the initial weight is too light, you can progressively add more weight in gradual amounts, between 2.5 kilograms to 20 kilograms. Continue to add weight until your client has reached their max. Be sure to take 3 to 5 minute breaks in between sets. A formula is given in the ACSM's guideline book to determine the client's bench press weight ratio. To obtain the value, you simply divide the weight in pounds divided by the body in pounds. Once the value is obtained, use the chart to determine which category your client falls under. Clients who have limited experience with muscular strength training or do not have the proper strength should perform the submaximal tests. For the submaximal test, you want your subject to begin with a comfortable weight without exceeding 10 reps. Otherwise, added weight will be required. Once again, wait 3 to 5 minutes before the next set. If your client performed the submax test, the formula shown will be used to predict the subject's 1 RM. Once the value is obtained, you may use the chart previously shown to refer to your client's category. The weight lifted should be in pounds, divided by the values underneath, and the X, which represents the number of reps performed. For the muscular endurance test, you will need a cushion mat for extra comfort to perform the push-up assessment. Be sure your client knows the correct form for the regular push-up or modified push-up. For your client doing the regular push-up, he or she should start in the standard down position, hands pointing forward and under the shoulder, back straight and head up, using the toes as the pivotal point. For the modified knee push-up, be sure the legs are together, lower leg in contact with the mat, ankles plantar flex, back straight, hand shoulder width apart, and head up, using the knees as the pivotal point. Be sure the chin is touching the mat for either push-up. Once there are 2 consecutive push-ups that break form, or if the client completely fatigues and can no longer perform the push-up, that will be the counted score. The client can, however, take a few seconds rest without breaking form. The chart shown will determine the fitness category your client falls under depending on the number of push-ups he or she can perform. It is distinguished by age and sex. For example, a 22-year-old female who performed 29 push-ups falls under very good.